Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to day 2 of the Finding Your Time Challenge. I forgot where I was then for a moment. Firstly, apologise for the state of the video yesterday. Those of you that know me know that I live in a village that's not actually that rural, but is stuck in terms of telecoms between having the facilities of the town and having the facilities of living really in the middle of nowhere. So my Wi-Fi isn't brilliant, and I think that's why the picture was really wobbly yesterday. So I have done my best today. I've turned off everything that might be trying to access the internet. I've put my phone onto AirPlay. I've just got this Facebook page open, so hopefully it'll be a little bit better for you today. So swiftly moving on then to day 2. Yesterday we had a look at the value of your time. So I hope you had a chance yesterday evening or sometime today to perhaps just think about your hourly rate if you didn't already necessarily know how you've made it, or you just guessed at how you've made it up. Maybe you've had a chance to look at that in a bit more detail, and you're getting an idea of how valuable your time is, and that you shouldn't just be spending it on doing everything that's going. You need to be a bit more picky about the tasks that you're doing and how you spend it, and that's the only way that eventually you're going to get to some time freedom. If you start picking and choosing the things that you do, I'm sure you've got other people in place to pick up the other stuff. You can't go on forever just doing everything and piling everything up on yourself. So that's what we're trying to do here in this challenge, is to start that process off. So having recognised the value of your time yesterday, we're now getting down to a bit more practical work around the tasks that you do and that you spend your time doing. So we're not going to have a long video today, and it's not an overly long task for you to do either this evening or during the day tomorrow. It is, as I say, starting to think about what it is you're doing. When we first start a business, I mentioned yesterday, we're often time rich and cash poor, and that means that we do everything. And so we're doing things that we are skilled at, the things that we set up the business to do, but we also have to take on lots of other tasks. Some of those things we perhaps had no idea at the beginning how to do, and we've had to learn how to do those. So you ended up with this whole variety of things that you're doing. And as the business grows, you can't any longer fit all of those things in. So it's about working out, well, which of those tasks should I be doing? I can't now do everything. Which one of those things should I be doing, and which ones of those things should I be delegating and getting somebody else to do? So today I want you to create 3 lists. So do this however you wish. If you've got a journal and a pen, or just a piece of pen and paper, or if you want to do it electronically on a new Word document or on whatever piece of software you use, then that's fine. But you need to create 3 lists. So the first list is all the things that you don't like doing. So the things that you have to do within your business, and it might not be things that you have to do every day, but during the cycle of a month, of a quarter, of a year in your business, what are the things that you do that you don't like doing? So these might be things that you're good at. There might be things that you're not good at. It might be some of those things that you had to learn when you started the business. But whatever it is, if you don't like doing it, the chances are it's going to take you longer to do it. You're going to procrastinate over doing it. Procrastination in itself is wasting you a whole load of time. So I want the first list of things that you don't like doing. The second list is the things that you're not very good at doing. So we just said, when you set up a business, you do the things that you're good at, that you set the business up to do, but you also have to take on a load of other stuff. And Google's brilliant, and YouTube at finding information and learning how to do it, going out networking and meeting other people and getting help and advice from them. It's great. You can learn to do all sorts of things. And maybe you've forgotten that you didn't know how to do it at the beginning. But actually, the things that they're not really your thing, you're not particularly good at them. And as a consequence, it will be taking you longer to do them than if somebody else did it who is good at that particular thing. Okay? So the third list is all the things, thinking back to yesterday and thinking about the value of your time, and how much money you can earn, and that whole calculation about, well, if I can go out and earn X and I can pay somebody else to do this task and only pay them X, I've still made a profit. So thinking about that kind of situation, what are the lower value tasks that you're doing that really you shouldn't be doing, because you could pay somebody else to do them for less than you can go out and earn? Okay, so that's 3 lists. The first one is the things that you don't like doing. Okay, you may be good at them, but you don't like them. The second list is the things that you're not very good at. So things probably that you've learned since you set the business up because you just had to do everything. And the third list is the things that you don't think you really should be doing in terms of your value, the value of your time. Okay, so that's it for today. I just want you to sit and create those 3 lists. They're going to be sort of fundamental in terms of moving forward and releasing some of your time. So it's important that they get done. If you want to upload them into this group using the file function, when you create a new comment, should be a file option. If you want to add your lists into the group just as a sort of form of accountability, then feel free to do that. If you don't, then that's fine. And that's it for today, really. Hopefully, once we've sort of got these lists, this will help us with the next couple of days in terms of thinking about your time and which things you should be getting rid of, because these things that are on these lists are taking you longer than they should, and that's stopping you having the time to focus on the things that you should be focusing on to grow the business, take it forward, and even just the time to not be involved in the business and to be with your friends and family and doing whatever it is you like to do outside of the business. So 3 lists, and I shall see you back here at 4 o'clock tomorrow for day 3. Thanks then, bye bye.